Good morning, students. Now I am going to present the topic for diodes. Diode is a passive components of the electronics. Diode is the simplest and most fundamental non-linear circuit element. Like a resistor, it has two terminals. Unlike a resistor, it has non-linear current voltage characteristics. It used in rectifiers is the most common applications. The main application of the diode is using as a rectifier of the electrical circuits. This is the physical structure of the diode. One p-type junction and one n-type junction is interconnect between both together. That is called diodes. One there is two terminal. One terminal is an anode and another terminal is an cathode. P-type is majority holes, n-type is majority electrons. Diodes are formed by joining p-type and n-type semiconductor. Diode is an electrical device which allow current to flow only in one direction. So the voltage applied to the semiconductor diode is referred to as a bias voltage. So there are two different type of bias are available. One is a forward bias and another one is a reverse bias. This is the symbol of diodes. Forward bias. The positive terminal of the battery connected with P type and the negative terminal of the battery connected with the N type. At the time maximum current flow through the diode during forward biasing. The DR is small in the forward biased PN junction. This is the forward bias block diagram. Forward bias means positive direction is connected to the positive side and then negative terminal is connected to the N type terminal. At the time conduction is through the positive to negative. This is the forward bias operation. This is the reverse bias. Reverse bias is opposite to the forward bias. Positive terminal of the battery is connected to the N type and the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the P type. So one is a negative, one another one is a positive. Extremely small current flow through the diode during reverse biased. These are the type of diodes. First one is a PN junction normal diode, and then LED diode, and then photodiode, and then Zener diode. Zener diode is also called as a special type of diode. Reverse voltage applications. Zener diodes are used. Voltage regulation process. A diode is a PN junction with P type on one side and N type on another. When a positive voltage is applied to a P type side, it strings and overcomes the depletion zone, causing the current to flow from the P type to the N type slides. A slide emitting diode are made of two lead semiconductor light source, gallium arsenide phosphide. It is a PN junction diode which emits light in active. A photodiode is a semiconductor device that converts light into current. A small amount of current is also produced when no light is present. A xenodiode is a diode which allows current to flow in the forward direction in the same manner as an ideal diode, but also permits it to flow in the reverse direction when the voltage is above a certain value known as the breakdown voltage. Next, application of the diode, rectifier circuits, half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, fridge rectifier, and then clippers. These are the applications. Rectifier, this is the half wave rectifier circuits. At the time only positive half cycle will be produced. A rectifier is a device which converts alternative current into the direct current. So rectifier process means alternating current is converted into direct current. This process is called rectification. Half wave rectifier means is not just only one diode are used. When the voltage of alternating current is positive, the diode becomes forward bias and currents flow through it. When the voltage is negative, the diode is reverse bias and the current stops. Positive voltage means the positive half cycle is produced. The negative voltage means the automatically current is stopped. This is the half wave rectifier process. This is the block diagram of half wave rectifier. So first analog signal is given to the input of the diode. A diode is connected to the 1 kilo ohm resistor. This is the closed circuit diagram. Next, full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier means two half wave rectifier is interconnected between the one full wave rectifier. When the voltage of the alternating current is positive, one of the diode becomes forward bias, whereas the other gets reverse bias. Hence, the current flow through the forward bias diode. When the voltage of the alternating current is negative, the previous reverse bias diode becomes forward bias, whereas the other gets reverse bias. Hence, the current flow through the forward bias. Thus, the current flow at least through one of the diodes at the time. This is the bridge rectifier diagram. The bridge rectifier means the four diodes are interconnected between like this A, B, C, D. A bridge rectifier is an arrangement of four or more diodes in a bridge circuit configuration which provide the same output polarity for the either input polarity. It is used to converting an alternating current input into a direct output current. The main advantage of the bridge circuit is that it does not require a special center tapped transformer, thereby reducing the size and cost. This is the center tapped transformer are used. The single secondary winding is connected to one side of the diode bridge network and the load to the other side as shown below. Thank you.